What's your premium? 50,000. How much available? 1 lakh. For that we pay 50,000 rupees. Preference share capital account debt are 10 lakh. Preference share premium account debt are 50,000. So we are receiving the loan 4 lakh 75. But this money should not be utilized for redemption of preference share. So preference share premium should be paid out of the equity share premium. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Corporating Accounting 1 of third semester, Unit 3, Session 2 of BCom, Redemption of Preference Share. I told in the last session, in the Session 1, redemption means payback of the preference shareholder. It should be fully paid. Partly paid will not be redeemed. So it should be paid either at par or at a premium, not at discount. First case, it is fully paid. Second one, it should be paid either at par or a premium, but not at a discount. Preference share premium shall be paid out of the equity share premium. If the equity share premium is not available, we can utilize even the profit and loss account, general reserve and capital reserve. Then, second point, we create an account called CRR, Capital Redemption Reserve, with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account, which is considered as the sources of the company. The two sources are general reserve and profit and loss account. When you redeem the redemption of debenture, debenture cannot be utilized. Redemption of preference share can be redeemed either at par or a premium. You can utilize the reserve, you can utilize the profit and loss account by creating an account called CRR, Capital Redemption Reserve, we say. CRR means Capital Redemption Reserve, we say. Why do you create? No, we will pay the preference shareholder, but the share lies with the company. Still the share issued to public, it will be kept in account. That account will be called as CRR. We'll move on to the problem now. Rishi Limited redeem 10,000, 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5% on 31/3. The company made the following issue: 5,000 equity share of rupees 100 each at rupees 120. They issue the share for sake of redemption of preference share. 10% debenture filing at a discount of 5%. The issue was successful and all the cash against them was received. The profit and loss account showed a balance of 8 lakh. Now, the point here, we are going to redeem preference share, have got 10,000 redeemable preference share of 100 each. Working note here, preference shares. How many preference shares are there? You have got 10,000 preference share of rupees 100 each. Of rupees 100. 10,000 preference share of rupees 100 each. This is 4, 6, no, 10 lakh. 10,000 preference share of rupees 100. So 40 plus 2, 60, 356. So it is a 10 lakh to pay back with a plus premium. What's the percentage of premium you look after? What's your premium? At a premium of 10%. Each at a premium of 5%. Premium at 5%. On 10 lakh, 10% is 1 lakh, 5% is 50,000. So totally you have to pay 10 lakh 50,000. This is payable. So preference share premium should be paid out of the equity share premium. If we see that, have you got any equity share premium? 5,000 shares are 100 each at rupees 120, says. He is issuing the share, issue the shares. Here, if you assume that you got here preference share, here capital 10 lakh. You have got a capital of rupees 10 lakh and a premium rupees 50,000. Totally, we have to pay 10,50,000. So, what's the procedure? Then issuing the share. How many shares were issued? 5,000 equity share, 100 each at rupees 120. Issue the shares. How many share? 5,000 share at the rate of rupees 100, 120. 5 ones are 5, followed by 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh rupees. Then at a premium of, so he says at a premium of 120, 20 rupees. So 5 twos are 10, followed by 40. Totally 3. So 5 twos are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 lakh. So this is nothing but 5,000 into 120 is nothing but 6 lakh. Out of 6 lakh, 5 lakh is the face value, 1 lakh is the premium. How much you have to pay? 10 lakh. How much available by issuing the share? 5 lakh rupees. How much premium is payable? 50,000. How much available? 1 lakh. We can pay the premium with the help of equity share premium. So, out of 10 lakh, how much already available? 5 lakh is available. If we see here, no, he says, no, the profit and loss account had balance of 8 lakh. You can utilize the profit and loss account. 8 lakh is there. You can create CRR to the extent of 5 lakh, another 5 lakh. 3 lakh is left over in P&L account. Totally how much you require? 10 lakh. How much available? 5 lakh is available. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. Create the CRR. It becomes 10 lakh. How much premium is payable? 50,000. How much is available? 1 lakh. We can pay the premium. From the equity share premium, we can pay the preference share premium. Premium to premium tally. So how many shares are there? 5,100 is 5 lakh. We got the 5 lakh rupees. Actually, you have to pay how much? 10 lakh. How much available by issuing the share? 5 lakh. How much shortage? 5 lakh. For that, you create the CRR with the help of profit and loss account, then pay them. So, what is the procedure? What's your face value? 10 lakh at a premium of 5% in 50,000. What is the total amount payable? 10 lakh 50,000 is payable. The company issued the share. How many shares were issued? 5,000 into 100 is 5 lakh at a premium of 120. 20 is the premium, 1 lakh rupee. Totally 6 lakh is available. Out of 5 lakh face value 5 lakh. How much face value is payable? 10 lakh. How much available? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. What's your premium? 50,000. How much available? 1 lakh. From that, we pay 50,000 rupees. So, premium to premium, face value. How much shortage come? Another 5 lakh. For that, you have to create the CRR. What's the rules to be followed here? No? The major rules here, no? If you issue the share, for the balance, you create the CRR. If you create the CRR, then issue the share. If the number of shares are not given, first create the CRR. For the balance, issue the share. If we issue the share, for the balance, created the CRR. Here, what is the second procedure? No? First, we have issued the share. Then create the CRR for the balance. Issue the share to the extent of 6 lakh. 5 lakh is the face value, 1 lakh is the premium. Totally 6 lakh is there. 5 lakh you can utilize. How much left over? Another 5 lakh. For that you create a CRR with the help of profit and loss account. We can pass the entry now. First entry, journal entries. For redemption. Journal entry for redemption. So, first we have see that what is the first step we have done? We have issued the share. How many share? 5,000 share. Bank account debtor 5,000 into 120. It becomes 6 lakh. 2. equity share capital. This is 5,000 into 100, 5 lakh. 2 share premium, $5,000 into 20, it is 1 lakh. So what's the entry now? Bank account debtor 6 lakh to equity share capital 5 lakh to equity share premium 1 lakh. We got the issue of shares now. Now second entry goes now. Here totally we require how much money? Total amount we require here is, see that how much you require? 10,50,000. Premium can be, because by issuing the share you got a premium of 1 lakh, you pay the premium. So you have to pay the preference share premium. Equity share premium account debtor, equity share premium account debtor 50,000 to redeemable preference share premium 50,000. So equity, we can say that equity share premium has been utilized to pay the redemption of preference share. Totally how much you got? 5 lakh is the face value, 1 lakh is the premium. Out of that, how much have been utilized? 50,000. Now we require actually 6 lakh to be paid. How much available? 5 lakh is already available. Create it from the P&L account, CRR. Profit and loss account debtor 5 lakh to CRR account, capital redemption reserve account 5 lakh. So 5 lakh already available, another 5 lakh we took from the profit and loss account. Now pay the preference shareholder. Fourth one, preference share capital account debtor 10 lakh. Then preference share premium account debtor 50,000 to redeemable preference shareholders account 10,50,000. Before the payment, transfer to holder account. What's the entry? Preference share capital account debtor 10 lakh. Preference share premium account debtor 50,000 to redeemable preference shareholder account 10,50,000. Now you pay. Redeemable preference share holders account debtor 10,50,000 to bank account payment 10,50,000 payment. I will explain now. Here, first you have to pay. See that? What's the total of the preference share? 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh is the face value. How much premium? 5% is the premium, 50,000. It becomes 10 lakh, 50,000 is payable. For this purpose, the company issue 5,000 share of rupees 128. So 5,100 is 5 lakh, 20 rupees, 5,020 is 1 lakh, totally becomes 6 lakh rupees. Now, how much premium is payable? 50,000. How much available? 1 lakh. You can utilize that 50,000 from the 1 lakh. What is the share issue? 5 lakh. What is the total amount payable? 10 lakh. How much by issuing the share? 5 lakh. How much shortage? 5 lakh. From that profit and loss account, in your profit and loss account, we got 8 lakh rupees. From that, you take about, from the source, you take how much money? 5 lakh in order to pay. Profit and loss account data to CRR account, then pay the money. So the entry goes bank account data 5,126 lakh to equity share capital 5 lakh to share premium 1 lakh. Then equity share premium account data 50,000 to redeemable preference share premium 15. So from the equity share premium, we are paying the preference share premium. Premium to premium is over. What's your face value? 10 lakh. How much available? 5 lakh. How much shortage? Another 5 lakh. You create the CRR from the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account data 5 lakh to CRR. What is CRR? Capital Redemption Reserve. What is CRR? Capital Redemption Reserve. You create to extent of 5 lakh. Now pay the money. Preference share capital account data 10 lakh, or we can say redeemable preference share capital account data 10 lakh, redeemable preference share premium account data 50,000 to redeemable preference shareholder account 10 lakh, 50,000, that is payable. Then you pay the amount redeemable preference shareholders account data to bank account. Each entry 2 marks. For each entry, we'll get 2 marks. So very, very easy entry. Nothing is there. First, what you have to bear in mind now, whether the number of shares are issued. If the numbers of shares are issued, for the balance you have to create the CRR. If the numbers are not given, then first create the CRR, then issue the share. There is a procedure. What is the procedure? If the numbers are not given, create the CRR, then issue the share. If the numbers are given, issue the share. For the balance, you create the CRR. Then preference share premium should be paid out of the equity share. If it is not available in the equity share, you can utilize the general reserve, you can utilize the capital reserve, you can utilize the dividend reserve. All the reserve can be utilized in order to pay the preference share premium. That is the law. So there is a debenture issued. How much? 5 lakh. This is the 5 lakh rupees. Face value 5 lakh. At a discount, minus discount, I am taking this 5%. So 5%, there is nothing but 25,000. Deduct 4,75,000. So we are receiving the loan 4,75,000. But this money should not be utilized for redemption of preference share. But entry should be passed here. 6th entry. Bank account data. This amount, see that? How much you got? 4,75,000. 4,75,000. Discount account data. Discount account data 25,000. So what's the percentage of debenture? See that? To 10% debenture, to 10% debenture, 5 lakh. Just an entry. But it may no way concern with redemption of preference share. Debenture should not be utilized for redemption of preference share. Entry has to be passed. What is the face value? 5 lakh. At a discount of 5% debit the losses. How much money received? 4,75,000 we are going to receive. So entry, bank account data, discount account data to 10% debenture, 5 lakh rupees. We'll move on to next problem. Moon Company Limited has 10,000 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100 each, fully paid. This is 10,000 into rupees 100. This is 1 followed by 60, or the 10 followed by 50, 10 lakh. This is 4, 6, 3 plus 5. So it is 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh at a premium of 10% premium. Okay. Then 3,000 equity shares were issued at rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. 2,500, 12% debenture of rupees 100 is, so 2,000 into 500 into 100. The issue was fully satisfied, all the amount has been received, the redemption was duly carried out, the company has sufficient profit and loss account balance, the company has got so much, whatever the amount required, the balance you got. So we'll go with the working note, preference shares. Preference shares. 10,000 preference share of rupees 100 each. It's a face value 10,000. This is 4 plus 2, 6. So 10 lakh rupees plus premium. What's the percentage of premium? See that at a premium of 10%. So 10% means 1 lakh. Totally require 11 lakh. So what's your face value? 10 lakh. 1 lakh is paid. This is a very payable amount. Payable. Here, come back. Preference share capital. Face value 10 lakh. Premium 1 lakh. Totally payable 11 lakh rupees payable. Premium to premium. Then see that. What the company says now? They issued how many shares? 3,000 equity share of 100 each at a premium of 10%. Issue of shares. Issue of equity shares. How many shares were issued? 3,000 at rupees 100. 3,000 shares at rupees 100. So 3 ones are 3 followed by 50. This is 3 lakh. 3,000 into 100 is 3 lakh plus premium. What's the percentage of premium? They say premium at 10%. Here equity share at a premium of 10%. 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. So total amount available 3,30,000. What's your face value? 3 lakh. What's the premium? 30,000. How much premium you have to pay? 1 lakh. How much available? 30,000. Whatever the shortage comes now, 70 we can take from the profit and loss account. What's your face value? 10 lakh to be paid. How much available? 3 lakh is available. How much shortage? 7 lakh. You create the CRR to the extent of 7 lakh from the profit and loss account to pay the 10 lakh. Total amount required 10 lakh. Out of 10 lakh, how much available? 3 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. You create the CRR. Premium is how much? 1 lakh. How much available? 30,000. Balance you can take from the profit and loss account. Now, first entry. Bank account debtor 3,000 shares issued, 3,000 into 11, 3,30,000. 2. Equity share capital 3,000 into 10, 3 lakh, 3,000 into 10. This is 3 lakh. Then 2. Equity share premium. See the problem? 3,000 equity share of 100 each. That is 3,000 into 100. This is 110. 3,000 into 110 is 3,30,000. Face value 3,000 into 100. Your face value is 3,000 into 100, 3 lakh. 2 share premium 3,000 into 10, 30,000. So 3,000 into 110, 3,30,000. Equity share capital 3,000 into 100 is 3 lakh. To equity share premium 30,000. That is the first entry. Second entry, we have to pay the premium. Equity share premium 30,000. Profit and loss account, 70,000. 2. Redeemable preference share premium, 1 lakh. Premium to premium gone. So we have to pay the premium of 1 lakh. How much available? 30,000. We can take 70,000 from profit and loss account. Third entry over. Now, so premium to premium. So your face value is how much? 10 lakh. So how much available? 3 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. You can take from the profit and loss account and create the CRR. Profit and loss account debtor, 7 lakh. 2. CRR account, 7 lakh. Create the 7 lakh. Actually, you have to pay 10 lakh. How much available? 3 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. You can take from the profit and loss account, create the CRR. Now, transfer entry. Redeemable preference share capital account debtor, 10 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium account debtor, 1 lakh. 2. Redeemable preference share holders account, 11 lakh. So totally you can see that actually you require 10 lakh. How much premium? 1 lakh. Become the 11 lakh rupees. Actually face value 10 lakh, 1 lakh. By issuing the share, 3,100 is 3 lakh. Premium 10% is 30,000. How much available? 3 lakh 30. This is available. This is payable. This is available. So premium to premium. This is a premium. Face value to face value. We can arrange. So I pass the entry. Bank account debtor 3,210. 3 lakh 30,000. To equity share premium 3 lakh. Equity share capital 3 lakh. To equity share premium 30,000. Then you take the 30,000 by issuing the 30,000. How much shortage? 70,000 create from the profit and loss account to redeemable preference share premium account. Totally we have to pay 10 lakh. How much available? 3 lakh. How much shortage? 7 lakh. Profit and loss account debtor 7 lakh. To CRR account debtor 7 lakh. So 3 lakh there, 7 lakh here, totally become 10 lakh. Pay them now. Redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor to redeemable preference share holder account 11 lakh. You have to pay. You pay now. Fifth entry. Redeemable preference share holders account debtor 11 lakh. 2. Bank account paid 11 lakh. So we have paid the preference shareholder now. So there is a debenture we have issued. See that 2,500 into 100. This is 2,500 into rupees 100. 25 followed by 40. 2,50,000 of 12% at par. 2,50,000 of 100 each. 2,500 is 2,50,000. Entry, sixth entry. Bank account debtor 2,500 into rupees 100. This is 2,50,000. What's the percentage of debenture? See that? To 12% debenture to 12% debenture, 2,50,000 at par, issued at par. Bank account debt are 2,50,000 to 12% debenture account 2,50,000. This money should not be utilized for redemption of preference share. I told you these 2 points are there in examination. No, what is the first point? Issue the share. For the balance, create the CRR or create the CRR. For the balance, issue the share. Here we have issued the share. For the balance, you create the CRR. You got already 10 lakh. So sufficient profit and loss account balance there. We took 7 lakh, 3 lakh by issuing the share, 7 lakh by taking them. So it becomes 10 lakh. So we have solved 2 problems now. I think both the problem is one and the same. In the next session, we'll go with a balance sheet for redemption. Redemption of preference share with a balance sheet. We can have it in the next session is considered. When you go to next session, we have solved the problem. Totally 4 problems have been solved here. 2 problems in last session. This session 2 lakh. 2 sessions we have done. So totally 4 problems you have solved. Only simple 10 marks problem. In the next class, we'll go with a balance sheet. We'll go with a balance sheet and see that how the balance sheet will prepare after redemption of preference share. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with a redemption of preference share with a balance sheet. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next session.